Today we are gonna make sourdough waffles. I absolutely love sourdough waffles because they taste amazing and also because they use up quite a bit of sourdough starter. This starter's been in my refrigerator for a couple days, but I did feed it just a few days ago, so it's already ready to go. The first thing that we're gonna do is add 2 cups of sourdough starter into our bowl. If you would prefer a written recipe, I have that on my blog at holidayhomestead.com, and I will link that in the description below. After that, we are going to add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of honey. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, or a quarter of a cup, melted. Normally I add the eggs first and forgot this time, so I'm just going to give this a quick mix so that the eggs don't go on top of hot butter. Then we're going to add the 2 eggs into our batter. Next, we add a half a teaspoon of vanilla. This recipe also calls for an optional 1 tablespoon of water, but my batter is already the consistency that I like, so I'm not going to add that this morning. The last thing that we add is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and I just dust that on top and stir that in last. This is because as soon as the baking soda hits the batter, it starts to fizz. And that's it. Now we're ready to cook our waffles. The one thing that I realized making waffles for years is to make sure that everything is super hot when you go to put them in the griddle. That's it. They're super easy and everyone absolutely loves them. It's a great way to use up a lot of starter, and sourdough has so many wonderful benefits with the fermented grains. It's just so good for your health, and this is such a fun way to use it. Enjoy!